Hello children, we are going to continue our lesson with Module 5, My New House. Are you ready with your textbook? If you are, turn to page 46. Page 46. But before we begin, let's look at our learning objective and success criteria for today. Our learning objective: by the end of this lesson, pupils are able to describe people and objects using suitable words and phrases. And the success criteria is: by the end of this lesson, we, meaning you, are able to answer 6 questions with possessive pronoun whose. Now that we have listened to the conversation, let's look at what they are saying. Look at the first box. What is Anna asking her mother? Mom, where are my trainers? Let's look at her mother's answer. They're in the bedroom, in the box next to the bookcase. Look closely. When Anna is using are, her mother replies, there. Now, let's look at picture number 2. It's a conversation between Anna and Tony. Anna said, Mom, these aren't my trainers. They're Tony's. And Tony said, Mom, whose socks are these? And Anna replied, they're mine. So, Tony is using are and this because there is a pair of socks. And so Anna replied, they're mine, they're mine. Next, let's look at picture number 3. Whose shirt is this, Sue? And Sue answered, it's yours, Bill. Sue is using its because the question uses is. Next, let's look at the 4th picture. Now, where's my coat? Where's my coat? Where's is a short form of where is. Now, where is my coat? So, the answer is it's on the armchair in the hall because it's is a short form of it is. Now, where is my coat? It is on the armchair in the hall. But we do not read where is when we see the word written like this. Where's my coat? It's on the armchair in the hall. For the last picture, that's my coat. It isn't hers. That's my coat. Anna uses that because there is only one coat. That is my coat. It isn't hers. Tony said, and that's not his. It's my shirt. Next, look at page 47 of your textbook. There are 2 examples of questions and their answers. Let's look at the first question. Whose coat is this? Whose coat is this? The answer is it's mine. We use it's because the coat is only one coat and the question uses is. The answer can be anything. For example, whose coat is this? It's yours. Or, whose coat is this? It's his. Or, Whose coat is this? It's hers. It doesn't matter what the answer is, as long as you use its, then it is alright, because you are answering the question correctly. Look at question number 2. Whose trainers are these? Whose trainers are these? They're Tim's. They're his. Whose trainers are these? They're mine. They're mine. Whose trainers are these? They're yours. Or whose trainers are these? They're Anna's. They're hers. Right? Because Anna is a girl. So there you have it, children. Make sure you are answering correctly by looking at the question. If you have any questions, please contact me. See you in our next lesson.